With their starting five, same as the last game, their last games when they eliminated, Pasay. And that series against Abra, if there was one, unsung hero in that series, it was MJ Garcia for Pampanga. Billy Ray.
The keyword on MJ Garcia. Garcia very aggressive here in the first quarter. That's now 4 points para kay MJ.
MJ Garcia loving that match. Look at this one. Alone on top. No help right there because they're so afraid for the drop zone. 2 of 3 players kasama si Binuya. Part ng original team when this team started 2019.
And here he is once again, coach, pulling up near he is making minced meat of the defense here of Ed Dakiwag.
You see, taking advantage once again. This time he's sending Dakiwag, makatira pa rito. Lob pass, wala.
Well defended there.
Flores.
By Lervin Flores. Concepcion initiates the contact. No offensive foul call. JB Bayo top. There should have been, but our Lanterns here. The lob to Encho Serrano. That was the play that Nueva Ecija was trying to run the previous possession.
Right.
Pampanga. Brought to you by Suzuki. These two have been playing so long together, coach.
Right, and that's just poor defense. He's had his hands up defending the inbounder na si Baltasar. As Mocon hits a 3 off a nice out of bounds.
Eda, check out this last play. Kenneth Mocon launching from the left wing and knocking it down.
On a score in
here for the Rice Vanguards. Wilson coming off the screen, receiving the basketball. Wilson, short stab is good.
That's going to be his advantage against a smaller.
One of 3 guys who's averaged double figures in that series against the Pasay Voyagers. Serrano puts off a one-hander and knocks it down.
Wilson preventing him from coming up. They get the stop eventually.
Oh my goodness! Putback slam from the reigning MVP. Party list dunk of the game. Brought to you by the MPBL Party List, ang kaliga ng mamamayang Pilipino.
The matchups is not only on ball but really off ball, and that's when players, sad to say, tend to ball watch. Every time the ball is up in the air, you see from the 3 to Ay. That's a foul, no? That's that Baltasar using his height, like I said, that tends to overhelp at times. It's gonna open up shots for you, or even layups tulad neto. Miscommunication on the back pick between.
Still in his prime, he doesn't think that he's declining. Collado, straight away 3. That is money in the bank para kay Jay Collado. He ties despite sending out that series against the Voyagers. This is our 3-point shot of the game, brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. Raymond Binuya taking 2. Couldn't hit on the second free throw. Encho Serrano denying act.
Tollgate, pinapakita lang netong si Serrano na kahit nasa San Juan tayo.
Wilson receives the inbound, sees the baseline momentarily open, but Baltazar and staying on him like a leech. Wilson knocks down that pull-up jumper.
Very important for the handler tulad ni John Wilson. And yung pull-up jumper, 3-on-2.
Macaloni able to get the basket plus the foul.
Excuse me, that was a 3-on-1. And then getting the steal and making a nice bounce to his buddy, his big guy, Will Macaloni. May kasama pang foul.
This is our fast break of the game, brought to you by SportsMax, powered by Playmax, the official online entertainment. Number 9 already.
Right.
He is 1 rebound away from getting in double digits. Kurt Rayson redeeming himself with that basket.
Well, I was about... Kita mo naman yung atake ni Rayson dito in transition. Ginawang slalom. Ang ganda ng seal nitong si Biselis sa second half.
Wilson gets the screen from Macaloni. He will launch from the outside and knock it down.
So let's see kung magkakaroon ng...
Off the glass, wala yan.
Not a good shot once again by Nueva Ecija. Ngayon pa-atake na itong Pampanga. Same result. Nueva Ecija. So, si Robbie Celis kahit dalawa na yung kanyang foul.
This is our assist of the game. Hinatid sa inyo ng MPBL Party List, ang kaliga ng mamamayang Pilipino.
You see, Javi, Celis has to be better than that. Alam ko, kakapasok lang niya, no? As Rayson, another attack on the other end. But I thought Celis
It's para sa Pampanga. Cuellar.
There you go.
Another try. This time he makes it.
Well, JC Cuellar, the miss once again by Concepcion. Tatakbo. Robles layup, drop pass.
Celis gets it. The Bruce and the Deuce para kay Robbie Celis.
Impactful plays. A three on the other end and pagbalik after a stop. Forward pass that led to this fast break. Robbie Celis, naramdaman yung contact, concentration. 2+1 special coming up.
Billy Robles and Balti on top. The switch, Collado gets it. Ramirez muscling his way, couldn't power his way through. But look who does. Is it a surprise?
Celis from foul trouble and to protect the paint. Celis with a jumper. You see how sagged off, how far away yung depensa. That time Baltasar. No, inutokso siya ni Collado, itira. Ang problema si Baltasar, lumapit.
Ay, ang problema naman dito para sa Pampanga, hinayan.
Ang bigat ng sagot ni Robbie Celis after umupo ng matagal. After foul trouble. Foul yan! 4-point play! Pumito ba ang referee? Ang ganda ng bawi ni Kurt Rayson.
Kurt Rayson. Quick fouls that he got. One of them an unsportsmanlike one, both on Ryan Costello. But here he is knocking down 3 straight baskets. At 7 straight points para kay Kurt Rayson, a chance to make for a 4-point play.
There's no such thing as a perfect team, even though since itong Pampanga is not a perfect team, yung Achilles heel nila is really the 3-point shot. Oh, what a move by Robbie Celis. Obviously showing us in that moment. Pure feet work ang ginawa niya. Show and go. Ala Rajan Rondo.
Robbie Celis.
But you see, a better job defensively of closing out. May sense of urgency na in that possession itong Pampanga.
Echo Serrano from left to right. That's 6 points in the game.
The last few moments.
Last shot time here for Nueva Ecija. Both teams in the penalty. Celis looks at the clock. Celis forces it up. Celis
May
could
pito.
not get it to go, but there's a foul.
Oo, may pito.
Thread at about 3 seconds. Trying to make a move
Pasok
there
na
on
pasok.
Ramirez.
Oo, yan na yung pito eh. Kasi nakataas na yung
Celis will take 2. Celis missing his 2nd straight free throw. Celis makes the 2nd. Rayson. There was no more time to dribble. That was his point.
Tamang on 1 of 5. Ito, mintis yung unang kanyang tira pero nandun si Ramirez para linisin.
Nobody boxing him out right there. Pampanga, no numbers for the Giant Lanterns. He waits for Garcia on the secondary break. Ramirez trying to muscle his way past his defender.
Itong si Macaloni, interesting judgment. Even after the challenge, tulad itong jumper na to.
That's a miss for Nueva Ecija. Binuya ahead to Concepcion. Cherry picking for Archie. Will Nueva Ecija respond? Celis, the fake, puts the ball on the deck,
What a
on the
move.
glass, and in. That's against the reigning defensive player, Baltazar, in his 17th rebound. Dito sa ating laro, the spin by Garcia. Back pass, Baltazar with a basket.
Basket timeout.
Pinas Basketball League playoffs. And right now, I am joined by a very special guest. Walang iba kung hindi the Thriller, Willie Miller. Willie, alam ko rin kung bakit ka nandito, kung sino yung team na
Out ulit. No, ayoko naman magsalita pag playoffs. So pinabaya ko, I know they're all set already. And yung coach at saka yung manager nila is...
Maraming salamat, Mika. Nice to have one of the legends of Philippine basketball right here in the arena.
Right.
Willie the Thriller Miller.
Yeah, great to see.
46 to 43. Celis, he has Costello open in the corner, but he decides to take it for himself. That's another basket for Robbie Celis. Yeah.
Well, yung tirang yun will always be available for Robbie Celis. Ito yung pangalawa, after hitting that jumper. Gusto na tangyo.
Garcia going downhill, kicks it out. Serrano, a little hesitation. Floater, gets the roll.
Turnovers, killing.
Rayson. 3-point shot. That is money in the back para kay Kurt Rayson. Bahio bottled up. Mocon tried to get it inside to Magbuhos. Turnover Nueva Ecija. Rayson leaves it. Egilos gets the 2 points. Edson Serrano playing with the defense here of Magbuhos, but Magbuhos gets the better of that matchup. 3-on-2 break. Magbuhos gets the 2 points. First basket of the game.
Sa kanila.
Collier hops into the lane, flips it up, no good. Macaloni fouled and gets the basket. Will Macaloni.
For Will Macaloni against the Giant Lanterns, against their Giants. This one on the offensive rebound.
The pitch ahead by Wilson to Vince. Magbuhos touch pass. Costello touchdown Nueva Ecija. 5 seconds to go. Serrano gets a brush screen from Eguilos. Serrano still gets inside. Serrano off the glass, and he caps off the third quarter for Pampanga with.
Mabigat yung mga miss na yun. Anytime you miss 2 free throws, as Baltazar, another casual jump hook in the paint against.
Ayaay sees Celis. Wilson is wide open, and he makes it. 10 points now in the game. 65-56. Wilson, can he get another one? Yes, sir. He rings the bell there for Nueva Ecija. Wilson will not force it. Oh, no, he does. Behind the back. No roll. Bahio is there. Bahio off the glass and in.
Even after staggered.
Garcia finds Serrano. Enzo puts the ball on the deck. Pampanga has been scoreless for the last 2 minutes and 34 seconds.
A poor on-ball defense that time, both by Wilson and the help by Costello. Pero ang ganda ng bawi ni MJ Ayaay. 3-point play early in the third quarter.
He does have 7 points in this game, but very far from his average as Brandon Ramirez. Garcia will go inside. Garcia, left hand floater, up and in para kay MJ Garcia.
Robbie Celis fell to stop the transition. Walang binigay, pero ito, Celis na ibawi agad sa kabila of the impact yun.
Serrano from downtown. Yes, sir. Why not? It's a Serrano.
Pampanga, kung magtuloy-tuloy sila hanggang sa dulo. What a play though of the inbounds. This time in sync si Robbie Celis.
3. Collier to Celis. No advantage here for Nueva Ecija. Celis takes it anyway and kisses it off the glass.
I thought there was a good chance. Concentration. This was just a beautiful outlet quickly by JC Collier after getting that loose ball rebound and seeing a smaller defender right in front of it. Inatake ka. Full 24, inatake ka agad. Celis.
Celis swatted away by Brandon Ramirez.
Robbie Celis with this attack, trying to get to the free throw line by creating contact.
MJ inbounds to Serrano, and Enzo will be the one taking the free throws here.
Timeout remaining.
Serrano has yet to miss Sears to not foul.
Short.
Trouble. Bahio needs a teammate. Ayaay. Wilson, can he get it off in time? And that's it. Pampanga wins game 1.
There's a reason why.